Maison Saint-Paul. Maison Saint-Paul specializes in sparkling wines either by the glass or the bottle, and while the menu is primarily of the French varieties, you can also find Spanish cava, Italian prosecco, and a large selection of wines. If you ask your server for the right bottle, staff will hand over the house saber, offering you and yours a quick tutorial on how to whack open your bottle of bubbly safely. The food is a shareable mix of Asian, French, Italian, and Quebec influences. Case in point, try the high-end pho with scallops, shrimp, mussels, clams, octopus, tempura crab, lobster, and filet mignon. The venue turns into a club vibe after midnight, so if you wanted to stick around and dance, you can. It's a great spot for double or triple dates, so you can all share a bottle or more, and then stay into the night.